Psalm 19. The heavens proclaim the glory of God. The skies display his craftsmanship. Day after day they continue to speak. Night after night they make him known. They speak without a sound or word. Their voice is never heard. Yet their message has gone throughout the earth, and their words to all the world. God has made a home in the heavens for the sun. It bursts forth like a radiant bridegroom after his wedding. It rejoices like a great athlete eager to run the race. The sun rises at one end of the heavens, and follows its course to the other end. Nothing can hide from its heat. The instructions of the Lord are perfect, reviving the soul. The decrees of the Lord are trustworthy, making wise the simple. The commandments of the Lord are right, bringing joy to the heart. The commands of the Lord are clear, giving insight for living. Reverence for the Lord is pure, lasting forever. The laws of the Lord are true. Each one is fair. They are more desirable than gold, even the finest gold. They are sweeter than honey, even honey dripping from the comb. They are a warning to your servant, a great reward for those who obey them. How can I know all the sins lurking in my heart? Cleanse me from these hidden faults. Keep your servant from deliberate sins. Don't let them control me. Then I will be free of guilt, and innocent of great sin. May the words of my mouth, and the meditation of my heart, be pleasing to you, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer.
Abani Jesu, Abani Jesu, oh, Abani Jesu, yeah, Abani Jesu. Everybody say, Abani Jesu, Abani yo, Abani Jesu, Abani yo, Abani Jesu, Abani yo, Abani Jesu. Orororo, mo ti sọnù sínú ìgbèkùn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi. Ṣàfonífojì ikú àti gbàgbé mi. Àti rò mí pin pé kò sí ìrètí fún mi mọ́. Torí mo jẹ̀bi gbogbo ẹ̀sùn tá a kàn mọ́. Everybody sing along pé mo ti sọnù sínú ìgbèkùn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi. Ṣàfonífojì ikú àti gbàgbé mi. Àti rò mí pin pé kò sí ìrètí fún mi mọ́. Torí mo jẹ̀bi gbogbo ẹ̀sùn tá a kàn mí. Mo ní ṣùgbọ́n ilé mi jẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ mi nílò láti gbà mo ti ra Jésù. Àti ẹ̀mí gbọ́dọ̀ àti sọ gbèsè mi ní ìgbà ẹ̀. Ó yẹ sọ pé Jesus yọ is the victory. Sing hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise the one who sets me free. Hallelujah. Death has lost his grip on me. You have broken every chain.
There's salvation in your name,
Jesus
Christ, my living hope.
was sọ pé ọba ni Jésù. Yeah, ọba ni Jésù. Yo, ọba ni Jésù. Yeah, ọba ni Jésù. Everybody say,
Abani Jesu,
ọba ni o.
Abani Jesu,
Ọba ni o.
Abani Jesu, oh, Abani Jesu.
What? Every situation surrenders to his name. No condition is above his jurisdiction. Oh, at the snap of his fingers, everything lost must be restored. Hey, after all, now only me God. I'm walking forward with glory, I'm sanctified, I get immunity.